And Rhythm, this is big. This is a big significant message that should be going out to Mr. Shashi Tharoor, that instead of him asking those uncomfortable and direct questions, it's Republic TV asking those questions, and we will continue to ask those questions, Rhythm.
That's absolutely the point. See, this is coming as a big breaking news from the Delhi High Court, which has refused to stay or give any interim stay on Tharoor's defamation that was filed here. It was very cunningly done, because we were not told about it since maybe just a day earlier that we were told about what could be happening. And therefore, what we really have to see here is that today the Delhi High Court has clearly said, the judge as of now stating that there is a right to investigate that Republic has. We have also today in the court given several pieces of evidence that we have placed before them, whether it was the Delhi File police notings that were broken exclusively on the channel, which said there were exclusive investigation items that needed to be checked, whether there were other items that we had placed. All those things that we put in the court made the court realize there was an actual investigation being done on the Sunanda murder tapes. This was not some defamation that we are carrying on against Mr. Shashi Tharoor. That's the point we impressed upon the Delhi High Court, having taken all the points that were made by our senior advocate Sandeep Sethi into accord. The Delhi High Court clearly said Republic has a right to investigate in the case. They will continue to do so here. Once their investigation is complete, they can put the facts on record. However, now Shashi Tharoor getting no particular interim measure, the case will continue to be heard in August. Replies, counter replies will be filed. But the big breaking news that's coming in for Republic TV, our right to investigate continues. Remember, there is no gag order on us. For media and for us journalists, our most important rights are our rights to investigate. The High Court today very clearly says we continue having the right to investigate in the Sunanda murder tapes, whether it was the Delhi police file notings that our senior advocate placed before them, whether it was the transcriptions of the talks that Prema Sridevi, my colleague, had with Sunanda herself, or with Narayan, Man Friday of Shashi Tharoor. The Delhi High Court took cognizance of that, said they have a right to investigate this, put it on record, and that is what they are doing. Yes, Shashi Tharoor says there was defamation, but on one point when they said that, there are names being called, we actually showed them the tweet in which Shashi Tharoor himself is calling out names to Arnab Goswami, editor-in-chief of Republic. So The point is, it really starts off from him. We are answering back only with our investigation, Deepthi. The Delhi High Court therefore refuses to give any stay or interim stay with the grounds on which Shashi Tharoor and his counsel Salman Khurshid had come to court. On no point was Salman Khurshid given any relief from the Delhi High Court, because remember, Salman Khurshid kept saying Shashi Tharoor is someone who's followed by thousands and thousands of people on the internet. His rights are being, he is so pained, he's so hurt. If someone like him can be targeted, what happens to a middle class man? But the point that Republic was raising from the very start is, what is happening in the Sunanda case? That's all we're asking. Our right to investigate continues. That's the big breaking news. The High Court says we're not going to, stop that. So every expose that we are doing, whether it's the doctor at AIIMS, Dr. Sudhir Gupta, coming out, giving us an interview in which he makes a full disclosure about whatever happened, whether it's the Delhi police file notings or the shortcomings or a noting that we just exposed on Saturday, which also Shashi Tharoor mentioned in court. He said, look, I've told them I'm coming to court in a tweet, and then they go ahead and do another expose on Saturday. But the expose is not defamatory. The expose is merely bringing out facts that the Delhi police is saying there are shortcomings in the case. So clearly something that Republic is putting on record, Deepthi, is going to benefit the investigation in the case. A huge relief coming in for investigation, for media,
only in the interest of investigation, only in the interest of justice has Republic TV actually been putting out those exposes. We've been raising those questions that Mr. Shashi Tharoor, the husband of the late Sunanda Pushkar, should be raising.